Hi guys, welcome. Good morning. This is Quito. Talent is God given. Be humble. Fame is man given. Be thankful. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. And concentration is self given. Be very careful. And nobody in this part game all be careful and keep learning to forward, all reach to show very great God. I very I am pray for Christ, thankful.